Frustrated because you're trying to send money with Remitly, but the sending country is wrong? Don't worry, we'll fix that in under 90 seconds. Alright, first things first, open up your Remitly app or head to the Remitly website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen, and tap on it. This will take you to your account settings. Now, you're looking for a section like personal information or profile. Tap on that to access your personal details. In this section, you should see a field labeled something like sending from or country of residence. This is where you'll change your sending country. Now, if it's easily editable, just tap on it, select your new country from the drop-down menu, and save your changes. But hold on, it's not always that simple. Sometimes, Remitly requires you to verify your new country. This might involve uploading a copy of your ID or proof of address that matches the new location. If you encounter any problems or the sending from field is grayed out and ineditable, head over to Remitly's Help Center or Facts section. They have tons of articles that can guide you through specific scenarios. Just search for keywords like change country or update address. Keep in mind that certain restrictions may apply depending on the country you're sending from, so be sure to familiarize yourself with Remitly's policies. And that's it. You've successfully changed your sending country in Remitly. Now you can send money with ease, wherever you are. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Remitly tips.